Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how to make a navbar and what you're gonna do about be satisfied with a certain progress. We have to start to realize to draw a horizontal frame. What you're gonna do is about to go with certain moment. We have to start to go with this frame over here. Then what you're gonna do next is about to start with a logo links buttons and starting with the navbar maker may be very good to make it. So if you go for plugin here, navbo it automatically generates a design navbar with autoline. You can ask most about doing that. So that is really helpful for some users to use it. And you can choose the monocular, for example, auto project. Click on any project that you have and create it. Okay, so really this is ready to be menu one of two or three. We can start to see documents also about some projects. We can actually drag it, but we have to start right here to see that there is a new bar maybe that works and doesn't work. I hope it works with you and